Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you weekly horoscope, week commencing 31st of May till 6th of June 2021. All the weekly horoscopes are based on moon sign, but you can take this weekly horoscope according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign, according to your Lagna sign. This particular weekly horoscope is a complete horoscope prediction for all of you. Weekly horoscope, 31st of May till 6th of June 2021. Preview, the brief forecast. Aries, weekly brief forecast, 31st of May till 6th of June. Aries, in this coming week, Mars and Saturn are in front of each other. Due to that, may I say that you'll be highly excited. There will be lots of unnecessary tension, domestic complications, sometimes living conflict and argument. Sometimes you can be very much annoying and very much upset. Sometimes personal life, professional life can fluctuate. You'll be attracted towards a new project, new venture, new idea. Aries, you'll go through a lot of issues as well. Uncertainties, solutions, complications, hassles, everything, you name it. You have to be very careful about your approach, about any legality. Avoid any living conflict with anybody. If you are in a legal matter or involved in an investigation or legal conflict, then you have to be very, very proper in your approach. Take a proper advice from an expert. Health-wise, Aries, look after your throat infection, any issue with lower abdomen or digestive system. Aries, you have to be very careful about when you're making any professional decision or financial choices. Don't get carried away. More you improve your communication with the world, more you will achieve, more you will be winner. More you calm down your temper and start listening and thinking what you're doing, more you will be rising. Aries, in this coming week, due to Ketu's position in 8th house, you have to look after your digestive system, lower abdomen, any issue with piles or hemorrhoid, and look after your marriage relationship. Sun and Rahu in 2nd house, look after your flow of income. If you're involved in a legal matter, you have to be extra careful. If you are in any conflict, personal or professional, you have to think twice before you make a final judgment or decision. And Mars, Mercury, Venus in 3rd house. More you improve your communication with the world, more you'll be rising. You might need the whole week's completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which can define your moon's transit. That will tell you your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Detailed weekly horoscope report, extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in a situation, what precautions you must implement to save yourself, what chanting you can do to boost yourself up very highly. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Taurus weekly brief forecast, 31st of May till 6th of June, Taurus. In this coming week, you'll be in contact with professional people, powerful people, decision maker. Taurus, this time period, you'll be in contact with influential people. With their contact, you'll come across lots of opportunities. Lots of complication problem will be resolved. But you'll come across lots of challenges at the same time. You will be in contact with people from abroad. You'll come across lots of financial opportunities, professional opportunities. You'll come across lots of income resources, financial resources, unique opportunities. Health-wise, Taurus, there will be an issue. There might be a change of place. So be prepared for that. Your expenditure can be sky high due to traveling, due to business, due to work, due to career. If you are in a legal matter or an investigation or legal negotiation, then you have to have a very proper expert advice. You have to be extra careful. You have to watch your word of speech, your mannerism. Sometime in your personal relationship, you go through lots of sourness, detachment, friction, jealousy, hate, bitterness, disappointments. Be careful. Due to Ketu's position in 7th house, look after your marriage, look after your relationship, look after your business partnership. Sometimes there's a lack of confidence. Sun and Rahu in 1st house. Refrain from combining ego and temper. It won't work. Make sure you're legally on the correct path. Mars, Mercury, Venus in 2nd house. Watch your word of speech. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com. A completed weekly horoscope report defines you, your moon's transit. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in an ugly situation, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what spiritual chanting you must do to activate yourself very highly. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Gemini weekly brief forecast. 31st May till 6th of June. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of professional issues, financial issues, complications, hassles, obstacles, delays, waste of time. Your enemies will be trying to hurt you, backstab you, creating unnecessary havoc for you, obstacle for you, and try to damage your reputation. After 3rd of June, Mercury will be retrograded, and due to that, there will be lots of fruitless running around, health complications, fruitless expenditure, unnecessary aggression. Any unnecessary living conflict you must avoid. You'll have to be very careful about your flow of income, your business, professional interview, presentation, appointments. You have to be extremely careful about your spending, about your communication. You will be very restless, sometimes you can be all over the place, sometimes very much annoyed, very upset, very disappointed. Please be aware of any fine, penalty, punishment, any from the legal authority, by the higher authority. You have to look after your eyesight. And if you have any issue linked with blood, urine, bladder, legs, feet, then you must go and see your doctor. Watch your diet, watch your weight. Due to Saturn position in 8th house, look after your legs, look after your digestive system. Do take care of your marriage relationship and health of the marriage. Look after your back and hip. Sun Rahu in 12th house. Beware of fine, penalty, punishment by legal authority. Beware of any court cases. Ketu's position in 6th house. Do take care of your health. Beware of enemies. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which can define you, your moon's transit. That will tell you your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do if you are trapped in an ugly situation, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do to overcome any scenario situations like that. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Cancerian weekly brief forecast. Cancerian. 31st May till 6th of June 2021. In this coming week, Cancerian, you'll be very much tensed, excited, sometime overexcited. You'll come across lots of professional obstacles, complications, delays, waste of time. Your expenditure can be sky high. You can be under huge debt. You have to be careful about your expenditure, speculation, any kind of investment. If you're dealing with legal authority or court case or legal battle or any kind of investigation, then you have to be extra careful. If you're signing any documentation linked with loan, mortgage or legal decision, you have to be very, very careful before you make any final commitment. Health-wise, you must look after your abdomen, digestive system. But due to Jupiter position in 8th house, look after your flow of income, look after your health regarding tummy. Mars, Mercury and Venus in 12th house. Watch your expenditure. Do not lend anybody any money. Beware of financial losses. Ketu's position in 5th house. Look after your digestive system, tummy. Sun Rahu in 11th house. If you have any issue with legal authority or decision maker, you have to be careful. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com. Completed weekly horoscope report gives you full analysis. Moon's transit, its effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in an ugly situation, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do to overcome any situation like that and achieve the supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Leo weekly brief forecast, week commencing 31st of May till 6th of June. Leo, in this coming week, you'll be working very hard and your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. You get a lot of family support, guidance, encouragement. You'll be coming across lots of professional opportunity, financial opportunity, ways to make a lot of money. Leo, you'll receive important news from family members. Your expenditure will be sky high, but only on the social events, religious events. You're making lots of plans to go abroad. In this coming week, you're involved in a lot of new matters and something to do with professional career. You have to be very careful about your decision choices and all kind of making strategies. You have to handle overall situation very delicately. If you're involved in any legal matter, you have to be very, very careful if you are in the middle of a legal conflict. Sometimes peace of mind, happiness will not be there. You can be all over the place. Whatever you do, you have to think very carefully before you make any final choices or decisions. Due to Ketu's position in 4th house, sometimes peace of mind, concentration, focus is not there. Saturn position in 6th house. You're going through a lot of people who are your sworn enemies. You got to handle them very carefully. Sun Rahu in 10th house. Profession will throw you lots of obstacles, delays, waste of time. Sometimes people will test your fiber, your patience. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which can define you, your moon's transit. That will define you, your decisions, your choices, your harmony, your health, your happiness, and your vision, your imagination. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in an ugly situation, what precautions you must implement to save yourself up, what sacred chanting you must do to overcome any kind of situation scenario and achieve supremacy. For that kind of weekly horoscope report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Virgo weekly brief forecast, Virgo. Week commencing 31st of May till 6th of June 2021. Virgo, in this coming week, you will be coming across lots of obstacles, waste of time, delays. You'll be quite worried about your family, profession, future ventures. There'll be full on, lot of running around, insecurity, uncertainties, tension. Virgo, you'll involve in a lot of conflict with particular person. There'll be lots of unexpected expenditure, unexpected hassles. You have to be very careful about your speculation and investment. If you are not very careful, then you go through lots of losses. By the weekend, you will come across lots of complications, challenges, tedious situation. Health-wise, to look after your lower abdomen and male and female health issues. If there are any misunderstanding or develop misunderstanding between you and your partner, then you have to handle the overall situation very, very carefully. And if you are coming across any health issue linked with eyesight, linked with the head, linked with your lower abdomen, or any sharp pain in your tummy, then or back pain, you must go and see your doctor. Due to Jupiter position in 6th house, sometime you will be going through a lot of phase of sadness, disappointment, frustration. Saturn position 5th house. Look after your digestive system. Look after your decisions and choices. Sun Rahu in 9th house. Look after your relationship with higher authorities. Ketu position in 3rd house. Watch your communication. Refrain from any kind of scandal or any kind of, may I say that, illegal activities. this coming week, you might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the week, which will define your moon's transit, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in an ugly situation, what precautions you must implement to come out from any kind of situation, what chanting you must exercise in routine in daily to improve yourself to the maximum and overcome any kind of situation and achieve supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, and achieve your best. Libra weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 31st of May till 6th of June, Libra. In this coming week, Libra, your profession will go through mediocre pace, but there will be unexpected financial gain, achievement, rewards. Most of your hopes, desire will be fulfilled. You'll be enjoying your success and rising. There will be a few complications regarding your cash wealth, but there will be a lot of things will move on with the passage of time. After 4th of June, there will be a happy occasion, gathering, party, celebration. You'll be able to realize a lot of your planning project ideas converting into a real-time system. By the weekend, you'll come across lots of illusions, complications, fruitless running around, unnecessary tension, fear, anxiety. If you're coming across any complication for any legal conflict with marriage, relationship, joint venture, business partnership, then you have to be very, very careful about your temperament, about your decisions, about your choices. Refrain from any superficial thinking or superficial thoughts, superficial acts. If there are any sharp in your lower part of your tummy or any issue regarding your eyes or head, then you must go and see your doctor. Due to Sun and Rahu in 8th house, beware of legal battle. Look after your relationship conflict. Look after your health regarding your heartbeat, regarding your digestive system. If there are any issue regarding your skull or head or any sharp pain in your tummy, go and see your doctor. Ketu positions 2nd house. Watch your word of speech. Do not humiliate anybody with your language or mannerism. Saturn position on 4th house. Refrain from grumpiness, sadness in the house. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report or weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week with your moon's transit. That will define your decisions, your choices, your vision, your imagination, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological task you can do to overcome any ugly situation. What, may I say, precaution you must implement to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise to overcome any kind of situation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Scorpio, weekly brief forecast, week commencing 31st of May till 6th of June. In this coming week, Scorpio, you'll be highly aggressive, overexcited, temperamental in your attitude. There will be lots of progression in your business, career and profession. Sometime, peace of mind, happiness will not be there. You have to look after your domestic relationship. In this coming week, your income sources will be supporting you, but make sure you should not be living in a conflict. Health-wise, look after your lower abdomen. And if there are any issue linked with your blood, urine or rectum, then you must go and see your doctor. If you're in the middle of a legal conflict, then you must go and see your legal expert. If you're planning to create any change in your profession or in your career or in your personal equation in regarding your family life or marriage, then you must think very carefully and think very thoroughly and go and see your elders or counselor and take your proper advice. Due to Sun and Rahu in 7th house, look after your relationship, personally or professionally, joint venture or anything. Look after your marriage relationship. Look after your business partnership. Refrain from any legal conflict. Refrain from any kind of a developed misunderstanding. Mars position in 8th house. Watch your aggression. Watch your temper. Saturn position in third house. You have to communicate with the world. You cannot cut off people. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from our website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the week, the moon's transit report, your vision, your imagination, your decision, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what task, what astrological task you must do to save yourself up from any kind of ugly situation, what chanting you must implement to achieve your supremacy. And for that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your supremacy. Sagittarius, weekly brief focus changes. The coming week, 31st of May till 6th of June. And this coming week, you're involved in a new project, new venture, new ideas. Professionally, you'll be quite busy. Due to certain Sadhisati, you'll come across family complication, hassles, unnecessary issues. Profession will not pay you back according to expectation. There will be lots of obstacles, lots of hazards. There's no point becoming over-aggressive or overreacting in any situation. You're not doing any justice with your current situation or scenario or circumstances. Over-aggression, overreactions, overactiveness will only ruin things for you. Nothing will work out according to expectation. You have to calm down yourself. You have to be on alert. But beware of cheating, deception, fraud. In this coming week, due to Saturn position in second house, watch your flow of income. Watch your communication with the whole world. May I say that Mars, Mercury, Venus in 7th house. Look after your relationship. Sun, Rahu in 6th house. Watch your legal status, please. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, your moon's transit, which will define your vision, your imagination, your decision, your choices, your health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what tasks you must do to save yourself from any ugly situation, what precautions you must implement, become flawless, and what chanting you must do in routine exercise every day to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of weekly horoscope report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, and acquire the weekly horoscope report, achieve your best. Capricorn, weekly brief forecast. Capricorn, 31st of May till 6th of June. In this coming week, Capricorn, you're coming across lots of difficult circumstances, complex situations, really hard situations. Everybody will be testing your fiber patience. Everybody will be testing your knowledge, ability, skill set. So you sometimes can be very much in demand. Professionally, personally, business-wise, career-wise, you have to look after your professional life, your financial backing. Capricorn, you'll come across lots of income resources and financial opportunities, but everything is not for you. There will be rising status, prestige and honor. You'll be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people, influential people. You'll be in contact with a lot of influential people. Sometimes you'll travel around quite a lot. There will be unnecessary tensions between you and your professional colleague, between you and your family members. Refrain from any unnecessary arguments, legal conflict, losing temper and lashing out at people. This won't work for you. This will not sort out anything for you. There will be a rise in prosperity regarding your import, export, or if you are dealing with foreign contact, you have to be careful. Any legal matter will have to be addressed very properly. Due to Ketu's position in 11th house, look after your income resources, financial opportunity. Sun, Rahu in 5th house, look after your relationship with legal power, legal authority, decision maker. Mars, Mercury and Venus, 6th house. Look after your joint ventures. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, the whole weekly report, which will define your moon's transit. That will tell you your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in an ugly situation, what precaution you must implement that can save you, what sacred chanting you must do activate yourself spiritually to overcome any situation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the report, implement the report, achieve your best. Aquarius, weekly brief forecast. Aquarius. Horoscope weekly, 31st May till 6th of June. Aquarius. In this coming week, you'll come across a lot of uncertainties regarding job, profession, career. Aquarius, your expectation can be sky high, but your achievement will be minimum or nominal. Aquarius, you'll come across lots of health issues. There will be a rising temperamental attitude, a lot of tension, but sometimes overthinking, overreaction can ruin things. Sometimes something important things will be ruined by overreactions. You shouldn't be doing that like that, handling the situation like that, overreacting in any situation. You have to be on guard, alert. By the weekend, your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. You could be participating in a lot of social events, religious events. There will be lots of issues in the family relationship. Sometimes understanding will not be there. You have to avoid too much ego and aggression. No. You don't need a combination of ego and aggression. If you're involved in a legal matter or legal conflict, then you have to address this particular issue with lots of care and attention. You do need a proper advice. Health-wise, do take care of your health and eyes properly. Due to Ketu's position in 10th house, professional will fluctuate. Look after your relationship with your professional colleagues. Sun and Rahu in 4th house, peace of mind, harmony, happiness will not be there. Sometimes you can be all over the place, sometimes you're in the middle of a legal conflict. Saturn position in 12th house, you'll be out of comfort zone, mentally and physically. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you insight information, a complete analysis of the whole week regarding moon's transit that will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decision, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do if you're trapped in a situation. What precautions you must implement to save yourself. What sacred chanting you must do to overcome any situation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Pisces weekly brief forecast. Pisces, 31st of May till 6th of June 2021. In this coming week, Saturn and Mars exactly in front of each other. You'll come across lots of domestic issues, professional complication. You'll come across lots of new income resources, new financial professional opportunities. Pisces, there will be lots of running around, hassles, complications, tensions. You can be very much aggressive in your approach. You'll carry lots of tension which you don't want to share with anybody. Beware of an accident and you have to be on guard, alert. Do not waste your time in any kind of fruitless activity, fruitless events. Don't waste your energy. There will be a certain financial losses or certain financial gain. Things can happen. One side gain, one side loss. There will be a certain situation, tricky situation. Health-wise, beware of headaches, migraine pain, back pain, eyesight issue. Pisces, you will be out of comfort zone. You have to, sometimes you feel like it. That's the only way you can acquire your unique opportunities. Whatever you do, you have to leave your comfort zone to acquire the dignified opportunities. You have to be careful about your decision, your conduct, your making strategy, your implementing strategy, launching a new project ventures, investing money. You have to be careful. Pisces, due to Jupiter position in 12th house, sometime you'll be out of comfort zone. Watch your investment, watch your expenditure. Saturn, Moon in 11th house. Look after your financial resources. Look after your income resources. Look after your financial dealing. Mars, Mercury, Venus in 4th house. Beware of living conflict in personal level or professional level. Sun and Rahu in 3rd house. Look after your communication with the whole world. You must take the whole weekly horoscope report from my website, which will define you regarding your financial commitment, your financial investment. You might need to complete weekly horoscope report, define you, your moon's transit, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. And complete weekly horoscope report define you what tasks you must do if you are trapped in any kind of a ugly situation regarding astrology. What precautions you must implement on yourself to save yourself. What sacred chanting you must exercise in your routine to accomplishment for your super status. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.